The mole concept. Part 3. Let's take the next example. How many moles of chlorine atoms are there in 106.5 grams of chlorine? Relative atomic mass of chlorine is equal to 35.5. Let's solve this. In a given mass of the element, the number of moles of chlorine atoms is equal to number of gram atoms is equal to mass of the element in grams divided by gram atomic mass is equal to 106.5 grams divided by 35.5 grams is equal to 3. The gram molecular mass of a substance is a mole of it, which is the mass in grams of the same number of molecules or formula unit of the substance as the number of atoms contained in exactly 12 grams of 12C. The following important relationships can be easily derived. 1 mole of molecule of a substance is equal to number of molecules in 1 mole of the substance equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Second, the absolute mass of 1 molecule of a substance is equal to gram molecular mass of the substance divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 in grams. Third, in a given mass of a substance, A, the number of moles is equal to mass of the substance in grams divided by gram molecular mass. B, the total number of molecules is equal to the number of moles into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 is equal to mass of the substance in grams divided by gram molecular mass into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. C. The number of atoms of a given element constituting the substance is equal to the number of moles of the substance into the number of atoms of the element in 1 molecule of the substance into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. D. The total number of atoms is equal to the number of gram molecules of the substance into the total number of atoms in a molecule of the substance into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. Let us take some examples. How many moles of HCl molecules are there in 109.5 grams of HCl? Calculate the number of molecules in the sample. Atomic mass of hydrogen is equal to 1 and that of chlorine is equal to 35.5. Solution. The relative molecular mass of HCl is equal to 1 plus 35.5 equal to 36.5. The number of moles of HCl molecules in 109.5 grams is equal to mass of HCl in grams divided by gram molecular mass is equal to 109.5 grams divided by 36.5 grams is equal to 3. The number of HCl molecules in 109.5 grams is equal to number of moles into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 is equal to 3 into 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 is equal to 18.066 into 10 to the power 23.